Hey guys, are you want to buy best motorized projector screens? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best motorized projector screens that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1, Silver Ticket Projector Screen White. Silver Ticket is one of the most famous brands on the market of fixed-frame projector screens, but the company also has a range of motorized screens. The advantage of the in-ceiling model is that it is practically invisible when not in use. It is also available in 2 versions with white or gray projection surface. The latter is better suited for a regular living room with ambient light sources, such as windows or household lights. Matte gray material reduces reflections and enhances perceived black level and contrast. Silver Ticket in-ceiling electric projector screen has a wide viewing angle of 160 degrees and there are no hot spots. The durable aluminum housing will not rust and will look great many years from now on. The kit includes IR remote control and mounting hardware. You can use the 12V trigger connection so that when the projector is turned on, the screen will automatically go down, and when it is turned off, it will roll back. External control via RS-232 is also. At number 2, Lead Screen Spectrum Tab Tension. Tab tension screens provide a more uniform surface without noticeable waves and irregularities. Lead Screen Spectrum Tab Tension is made of max white material with 1.1 gain and 108 viewing angle. It is good for both 4K Ultra HD video and active 3D. Black masking borders of the screen help eliminate excess light, creating a more immersive viewing experience. The projection screen can be mounted on the wall or on the ceiling. It comes with a 3-way wall switch and 12V trigger cable. An optional in-ceiling trim kit for concealed installation and radio frequency remote can be purchased separately. Users highlight the quiet operation of the motor, although it is not fast raising and lowering the screen takes more than 40 seconds. Now number 3, Lead Screens Evanes Plus. The Evanes Plus series is a premium projection screen featuring diagonals ranging from 150. Elite Screens uses fiberglass reinforced max white FG material, providing the most flat screen without tab tension bar. The textured surface with an exceptional 180-degree viewing angle gives a natural color reproduction and high image fidelity. It's 4K and active 3D projection ready. The recessed design is perfect for non-dedicated media rooms. Evanes Plus can be controlled by complete infrared and radio frequency remote controls. The box also includes a 3-way position wall switch, while the in-wall up and down switch and wireless 512V trigger are sold separately. The 150 and 180 versions of Elite Screens Evanes Plus have an extra 12-inch black drop for high ceiling installation. The powerful tubular motor runs very quietly. For safety reasons, the company has made the screen material resistant to mildew and fire, and the aluminum housing is less susceptible to corrosion. At number 4, Kia Screens Electric Motorized Projector. IKEA is a sub-brand of Elite Screens and offers more affordable but good quality projector screens. The smallest version with an aspect ratio of 4:3 is an excellent choice for business presentations. If you need a large display for watching movies and shows, a 16:9 screen is the one to choose. It supports 4K, even 8K. The customers point out in their reviews that max white B material is rather thin, so you have to be gentle when cleaning it. IKEA Screens Electric Motorized Projector Screen comes with a handy radio frequency remote. The accessory can also be used as a wireless 512-volt trigger to synchronize with your projector. The screen is shipped fully assembled and ready to install. And our last product is VividStorm PRO Slimline Tension Screen. Ultra-short throw laser projectors are placed directly under the screen, and a special surface coating is required to project the image at such a wide angle. VividStorm PRO Slimline Tension Screen has a horizontal linear structure which blocks up to 97% of the ambient light. The result is a lush image even in a well-lit room. The gray material significantly increases contrast, so the dark scenes in movies and games look great. The tab tension system maintains a flat surface to match the most demanding viewing needs. The viewing angle is 170 degrees. The screen comes with all necessary mounts, infrared and radio frequency remote controls, a wall switch, and a wireless 12V projector trigger. The manufacturer particularly emphasizes that this ALR material is not suitable for standard throw, short throw, and long focus throw projectors. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.